Oh, hey everybody, back at it again with another project. This time it's going to be a electrical cutoff switch. Probably with me last time when I bought this one, not totally impressed with it. So, didn't like it. Saw this, and this got a key, by the way, that fits right in here, inside here, and turns it, and I can take the key out, kills power on it. So, it's all a matter now of placing this thing over here. I'm going to put it right about right here. I'm going to cut this cable about right there. And I'm going to solder. Well, I hope I got enough room. It's going to be easy, that's for sure, is it? We're going to do it anyhow. So that's today's project. Get this. I don't know if that's going to fit or not. That looks mighty small. It says 4 gauge, and this coupling says a 4 gauge. We're going to see. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so where we're at so far. Got the wire stripped back on both of them, both ends. This end, that end. That's where the switch goes, in between the two. So now the process is going to be soldering. And let's see if we can do this one-handed. Yeah, look at that. Got to solder that terminal on right there, put a little heat shrink on it. And we'll be cooking, man. Alright, let's get going with it. This is the part my friend Vance said you have the camera rolling. I'll burn the car down. Well, I'm going to put some more solder in it, but not bad. This heat shrink's way too small. I'm going to cut it off, just black tape it. That's all I can do for right now. Or maybe I'll get another piece of heat shrink that's bigger. Y'all stay tuned. I don't know why this camera would shut itself off when you're recording, but it does. I get my tape out and let that cool off and tape it up. Maybe I'll do a better job on the next one. We'll see. This is going to be the part where I burn the car down. Fuel pump is right there. And I got to get down under here to solder this thing on. Yeah, buddy. This is yeah. Wait for the highlights at 5, as they say. Well, I'm all finished with this one. I didn't burn the car down. Did a much better job on this one. Didn't burn the insulation up like I did the other side, but it's okay. I taped it up. As they say, it'll buff out. So now, let me get up here and mount this switch and shoot, get on with this stuff, man. We're about finished with this job. Alright, got the project done. Just got through running it up. Runs fine. I think I did a fair enough job. I should have probably painted them brackets black, but I didn't. I may later. So I got to put some lock washers on these little screws right here. These two, they're just tight, but it will work loose. I know it will. So when you get through parking it for the day, boom, power's off. Nobody can take it. I got the key. All right. So appreciate you bearing with me. And I know some of you wished I burnt the car down, but I didn't. So there you go. See you later, folks.